personal example on how I got distracted on a mission once. It was early fall, and I was hot on the trail of Green Goblin, but then something caught my eye. It was the most perfect pumpkin. I got so distracted, and I just had to have it. So I went to pick it up and... Okay, everybody, take your seats. It's time for class to begin.
You're in our class?
Oh no, I'm not a student today. I'm Professor Assistant, and today's class is how to be a hero.
Roof, roof. Oh boy, I can't wait to hear what you have to say. Roof, roof.
That's right. Looks like we got a lot of young heroes in here, which is great. But there's always room for some improvement. I'm talking to you, Scooby.
Wait, what? Oh, man.
Let's go over 3 important things when it comes to being a hero. Okay, class, before I get started, take out your notebooks and write some of the stuff I'm saying down, because there will definitely be a quiz later. Oh, it's so cool. I'm the one giving the quiz. I cannot believe that I'm the teacher and I get to say that. This is crazy. Lesson number 1. When you're on a mission, it's really important that you do not get distracted.
Us? Get distracted on a mission?
Ah, yes.
What do you mean by that? Whoa, is that a squirrel over there? Let me take a look.
Well, I'm glad you asked that. It could be anything. Here's a personal example on how I got distracted on a mission once. It was early fall, and I was hot on the trail of Green Goblin, but then something caught my eye. It was the most perfect pumpkin, the perfect one to carve into my perfect jack-o'-lantern to put on my perfect porch. I got so distracted, and I just had to have it. So I went to pick it up, and it exploded and got all this Green Goblin goo on me. And Green Goblin got away, and all I got was a whole lot of goo. Lesson number 1, do not get distracted on missions. Lesson number 2, don't be afraid to ask help from your team. Sometimes you might not be able to handle a problem all on your own, so you have to lean on your team.
Ooh, I have a question.
Yes.
Why teamwork, though? What if I can do it by myself?
You see, I once thought that too, but I learned the hard way that I need my team sometimes. Here's another example of when I was in a sticky situation and refused to ask for help. I was on a mission with Spidey and his crew, but then I got caught in some spider webs. But I refused to ask for help, because I thought I could get on my own. I tossed, I turned, I pushed, I pulled, I tried to jump. Didn't work. I was stuck in there for minutes, hours, days had gone by and I was still there. I was trapped for days on end, and finally, I had to ask for help. Lesson number 2. Don't be afraid to ask for help from your team.
Now, wait a second, assistant. I was there, and you were only up there for like 20 minutes.
Well, it felt like I was stuck in there for years. You didn't know how I felt on the inside. I was getting thirsty, my palms started sweating, I think I broke out in a fever, but then you guys got me. So I was fine.
Right, okay then.
Wait, I'm a teacher, sit down. You should not be questioning my personal experiences to my lesson. And lesson number 3, don't be fooled by some disguises that villains might try and wear. You never know how one might try to conceal their identity to try and get into some trouble. They might try and wear a mask, a wig, a fake mustache, or an entire costume to make me think that you're one of my students, but it's actually an entire disguise!
Aw, man, you got me.
That's right, lesson number 3. Don't be fooled by disguises villains might try and wear, like Romeo over here pretending to be a student. What do you have to say for yourself, Romeo? I hope you're ready for the quiz.
Whoa. A quiz? I did not agree to that when I came sneaking in here. I just wanted to figure out how you guys are always defeating us.
You thought you could learn superhero secrets, did ya? Well, not today.
Ooh, I almost got away with it. What gave me away? Was it the beard? Was the beard too much? Ugh, I didn't know you heroes would be looking out for that sort of thing.
Lessons 1, 2, and 3 were common sense, Everybody should know those, so I gave those to you for free. The next few lessons are top secret that you will not get to hear.
Oh, man.
And there you have it, How to Be a Hero, Lessons 1, 2, and 3 by yours truly, Professor Assistant. All right, class, close those notebooks and get out a blank piece of paper because it's time for the quiz.
Oh, man.
Oh, you're not, well, don't worry. I'm sure all of you guys will get an A, unless you weren't paying attention, then be worried. But before we start the quiz, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye everyone! Wait, there's another cool video starting right now. Alright, guys, question number 1 is, what is my favorite color? Bye! All aboard! It's field trip day! Oh yeah, you heard it right. It's field trip day, and guess who's the bus driver? None other than me, the assistant. Oh yeah, this is my school bus, and we're gonna have an adventure. I can't wait to take all my friends on a field trip. Now, where'd everybody go? Oh, I remember why nobody's here. I told them I picked them up at their house, not at the school. Oh no, I forgot. Oh, you want to come with us? All right, but you don't know where we're going yet. It's a surprise. Come on in the school bus. But don't worry, I'll give you hints along the way. That way you can guess where we're going. Ah, there's no time to waste. We're way behind schedule. We gotta move. Alrighty, everybody. Ready? Oh, I forgot. It's just me. I gotta go pick everybody up. Our first stop is to pick up some amazing heroes. Hopefully they're not still in their pajamas. Bus is here. Oh, hey, PJ Masks.
Assistant!
Yeah, woohoo!
Yay!
All right,
Field
trip!
trip!
Woo!
All aboard. Let's go. Whoa.
What's the matter, Assistant? We're excited for the field trip. We want to go.
It's field trip day, not pajama day. Guys, you can't wear your pajamas to school, unless it's, of course, pajama day, which it's not, so we're not wearing it.
Huh, I guess you're right. Okay, team, let's change into something a little more adventurous. PJ Masks, let's go!
There, that's better. Now onward to adventure! Woo!
Where are we going?
Oh yeah, your first clue.
Oh boy, okay, I'm ready.
Yep, this very special field trip destination was built thousands of years ago and is very historical.
That long ago? Wow, that sounds really old.
Yep, really old and sandy.
Ooh, are we going to the beach? I love the beach!
Nope, not there. Okay, we're here.
Woof woof, here comes the bus! Field trip time!
And we're picking up the only pups that can ride in a school bus, the Paw Patrol, of course. Hey pups, you ready for adventure? Come on in. Whoa. Stop. Right there.
Woof woof, we're so excited, Assistant. What do you mean? What's wrong?
Whoa. Come on now, guys. I can hear them. No squeaky toys on my bus.
Aw, Assistant, but they're the best. I love the squeak, squeak, squeakiness.
I'm sorry, they're just quite a distraction and really loud. Don't worry, we can play with them after the field trip. Deal?
Okay, deal.
Woof woof, racing to the school bus.
Alright, single file pups, go on in, great! Now let's keep going.
I'll fly ahead and see you there.
Yahoo! Let's go! Alright, your second clue.
Roof, roof. Oh boy, I'm so excited. And I'm really good at guessing games. And I'm so excited about this field trip, I'm gonna guess where we're going immediately.
This special field trip destination will have a triangle made out of squares.
Huh? That doesn't make any sense. I don't get it.
You'll understand when we get there. Our last pickup. Oh, Romeo, where art thou, Romeo, that's not in the school bus already?
No school for me, huh?
Come on, let's go!
Oh, right, I forgot. Okay, minions, be sure to cause a lot of trouble while I'm gone.
Alright, Romeo, so... Whoa, wait.
Huh? What?
Do I need to remind you about all the rules of this school bus, Romeo?
Maybe?
Alright, now, put them back away in your house. I don't care what you do with them there. But on my bus, there's no evil inventions allowed.
Oh, right. Well, this is a no-go. You can't go with me. I'll save you for later. Okay, you know what? I don't need anything. I'm just ready to go on this field trip.
Okay, now you're good.
I'm just happy it's no school and it's field trip day. So let's go already.
Come on, let's go. That's better. In you go.
Potato na, potato na. Ooh. Beetle.
Alrighty, now that everybody's here, it's time for your third and final clue. And you might feel like you're heading to Egypt.
Well, this place better be super awesome and super cool because I'm super interested now.
And when we get there, you might find a Sphinx.
What is that?
Woohoo! This is gonna be a great field trip. Okay, we're finally here. Ta-da! The Great Pyramids.
This is amazing! Cool! This is awesome!
Okay, go everyone, take a closer look.
Wow! I see what's amazing! So cool! Roof is huge! This place is so totally cool, I bet there's treasure here. Ooh, what's that? Roof, it's incredible!
See what I mean, everybody? It's a giant triangle, a pyramid, made out of a bunch of squares, cubes.
Whoa, and this is a Sphinx. It's huge! And really detailed. Roof, so cool!
Come on, everybody, let's go inside and check out some cool hieroglyphs.
Ooh, I want to see first. Me.
So, what do you think, everybody? Was this a cool field trip?
Yeah!
Awesome!
I'm learning so much about ancient Egypt. And their souvenir shop is full of treasures. And it's all for free. And it's for me. Romeo, that's not for you. Put that back.
And I hope you learned a lot of cool fun facts about the pyramids today. Alright, let's keep exploring before we have to leave and go back on the bus. But before I go, people at home, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Did you figure out the secret location on where our field trip was going to be by the clues that I gave you? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Great job! Wow, that was so much fun.